Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Pom Pom Maker is probably one of the most versatile and fun crafting tools you can add to your collection, allowing you to create fluffy, perfect pom-poms in a variety of sizes with incredible ease, transforming simple yarn into charming embellishments for hats, scarves, gifts, and even home decor projects, making it an essential item for crafters of all skill levels looking to add a touch of handmade charm to their creations. Number 5. Clover Extra Large Pom Pom Maker 4.5. Introducing the Clover Extra Large Pom Pom Maker. This 4.5-inch tool makes creating big, fluffy pom-poms incredibly easy. With its generous 4.5-inch size, you can craft impressively large pom-poms for all your projects. It's perfect for adding a fun, oversized touch. This pom-pom maker is designed with kids in mind. It's simple to use, making it a fantastic tool for children's crafting activities. Achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. Just wrap, cut, and tie to create perfect pom-poms every time. Made in China, this durable tool ensures you can enjoy making pom-poms for many crafting sessions to come. Get ready for some serious crafting fun. What we like? This one is perfect for little hands and budding crafters. If you are looking for a simple and fun activity for children, this is an excellent choice. It's designed to be straightforward, making it ideal for kids' crafting sessions. What people say? This one is super easy with great results. Just note it is a big, which is exactly what I was looking for. It does a really good job and you can make multiple size pom-poms with the different sizes. It is very easy to use. Well made. Fun to use. Number 4. Clover Super Jumbo Pom Pom Maker. Introducing the Clover Super Jumbo Pom Pom Maker. It's designed to help you create beautiful, large pom-poms with ease. This tool allows you to craft pom-poms approximately 11.5 centimeters in diameter. Get ready for impressively sized fluffy creations. Using it is incredibly straightforward. Just follow a few simple steps to achieve professional-looking results every time. To get started, all you'll need is this Pom Pom Maker and a pair of scissors. It's that simple to begin crafting. Perfect for all your crafting projects, from hats and scarves to home decor. Let your imagination run wild with these large pom-poms. What we like? If you want to make impressively large pom-poms quickly, this is the tool for you. It's designed for those who need to create big, fluffy pom-poms efficiently. Consider this if you're aiming for a dramatic visual impact with your yarn projects. What people say? This maker makes nice big ones and it works great with the tulle fabric. This is the easiest pom-pom maker to use. Makes a nice size pom-pom. Absolutely love this giant-sized pom-pom maker. Not only did it arrive promptly but it made the best pom-pom and the size of it was perfect if you're looking for an extra large pom-pom. Number 3. RRigo Pom Pom Maker Tool Set. Introducing the RRigo Pom Pom Maker, your new favorite tool for crafting beautiful fluff balls. It's incredibly simple to use, requiring just yarn and scissors. This set comes with 4 different sizes, ranging from 1.4 to 3.4 inches in diameter. You can choose the perfect size for any project, and the smallest is great for practicing. Crafted from durable ABS and POM resin, these makers are built to last. Their smooth design ensures easy winding and closing, preventing yarn snags. Save time and energy while having fun creating unique projects. Anyone can easily make beautiful pom-poms with this tool. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and lifetime support. Enjoy your crafting with peace of mind. What we like? This set offers great versatility with 4 different sizes to choose from. If you appreciate having options and want a tool that's built to last with a warranty, this is a solid pick. It's suitable for adults who enjoy crafting and want to save time. What people say? Great construction, feels like they will last forever. Super easy to use and the different sizes really cover all bases. Although the instructions were a little sparse, I still found it very easy to use and it made the perfect little pom-poms. This pom-pom maker works so well. It's so easy to use and the pom-poms turn out perfectly fluffy. A handy link to a how-to video is included. Number 2. Wayion Pom Pom Maker RDIY Kit. Get creative with 4 different sizes of Pom Pom Makers, perfect for any project. They come in 4 fun colors to brighten your crafting. Making pom-poms is now easier than ever. Simply wind your yarn, secure it, and trim away the excess for perfect fluff balls every time. Crafted from high-quality ABS and POM resin, these tools are built to last. Their smooth, easy-to-use design ensures a seamless crafting experience. Spend less time making and more time creating. These tools make it simple for anyone to craft beautiful pom-poms and unique projects. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give the gift of creativity to friends or yourself. What we like? Looking for a complete kit that makes pom-pom making even easier? This option comes with a handy thread cutter, making the process smoother. If you're searching for a thoughtful gift for a crafter or want a convenient all-in-one tool, this is a great value. What people say? Felt a bit flimsy, but no issues so far. Definitely works well. Good design. This is a great buy. Kit has various sizes. No more hit or miss pom-poms. She's now able to quickly make pom-poms that are consistent in size, shape, and fullness. It's also great that it comes in so many different sizes. Perfect for anyone that crochets or knits. Number 1. Clover Pom Pom Maker Set, 7 sizes. Discover the ultimate tool for crafting perfect pom-poms. This set includes all 7 sizes you need to bring your ideas to life. From tiny 3-4-inch pom-poms to impressive 4-1-2-inch creations, this collection has you covered. You'll find 2 sizes within each of the 4 packages. Easily create pom-poms in a variety of sizes, perfect for any project. The larger sizes even allow for fun multicolored designs with yarns and ribbons. Get genuine Clover branded items in this complete set. You can trust the quality for all your crafting endeavors. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, these makers are simple and fun to use. Elevate your handmade projects with beautiful, consistent pom-poms. What we like? For the ultimate pom-pom enthusiast, this set includes all 7 different sizes. If you love having every possible size for any project and want the quality of the original brand, this is the ultimate collection. It's perfect for those who want maximum creative freedom. What people say? This is a great tool for making pom-poms. It is easy to use and makes perfect pom-poms every time. I love this Pom Pom Maker. It is so much easier than the old way of making pom-poms. It is also very durable and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.